March of the Mustangs returns, and this year we are reaching new heights. Our Morrisville Mustangs, draped in black and white, embody a rich tradition of spirited competition and academic excellence.
Once we came on the field, I knew it was the right fit, with the guys playing, I knew it was what I wanted. And plus the diversity and culture here is what I've been looking for in the college.
Show your pride in our Morrisville student athletes by conquering our largest goal ever, $50,000. This year our teams raise funds to transform their locker rooms, take trips to build team camaraderie, purchase travel gear, and much more.
I've learned so much from so many different people, and I've been able to grow as a player and a person within just being here for 4 years. And I really think that has made an impact to where I am today, and hopefully will always impact my life.
But our impact extends beyond the playing field. Our Mustangs actively participate in various community initiatives, showcasing their dedication to service and a strong sense of unity.
I would say that the people here define my success. Counselors, teachers, friends, as well as the coaches here that are always willing to help you. I just feel like I finally found a place where I belong and it feels like I'm at home.
Your support during March of the Mustangs enhances student experiences and fosters excellence both in academics and athletics. Stand behind Morrisville Athletics today and be a part of the excitement.